Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss a very important concept from the statistical physics part. Now, as per the type of question which you can get from this particular concept, so that is like any potential expression will be given to you in the question. Okay, the expression or the value of V will be given to you in the question. Now it can be in the form that is like a mod x. It can be in the form like any other expression, anything like that. So what you have to do in this case, if you need to find the partition function, okay, so it is gonna be a video about the quick concept. Clear? So I am going to now let you know that what will be the steps which you will take to solve any such question when the potential expression is given to you and you want to find the partition function. So the main formula which you have to use in any of these cases, that's gonna be 1 upon h integration minus infinity to plus infinity, first term here dpx, integration minus infinity to plus infinity, second term here, and dx. And if there are going to be like two variables corresponding to two variables, you will write the expression in exactly same way. Instead of just writing dpx, you will write dpx and dpy both. Instead of writing just dx, you will write dx and dy both. Okay, that's what you need to do. But the point is, what will be that parameter which you have to write at this place? We will talk about it now. So guys, when you know about the potential energy expression, you need to know about one more thing here. What is that? I will let you know. But before this, we all know about the general expression of partition function, which is so common expression, that is summation over I gi e to the power minus beta ei. Then this is the most common expression of partition function. But in this case, when the potential expression is given, how we will use it? So basically guys, the potential energy is something which I am just saying potential, okay, and you will consider it same throughout the video. Like when we are talking about the potential, that is only the potential energy expression which is given to us, the same expression, okay. Now in this case, what is going to happen? You know that the energy term is here at this place. What you have to do? You will write a general energy term. And what is that energy term? That is going to have kinetic energy plus potential energy in it. Okay, kinetic energy plus potential energy in it. Now the point is, what will be the kinetic energy? That will be p square upon 2m. If there is only one variable, you will write px square upon 2m. If there are two variables, you will write py square upon 2m as well, along with px square upon 2m. And then they will be in the power of exponential, so you can separate them out, because you know e to the power x plus y, you can even write it as e to the power x into e to the power y. So you can write those terms containing x and y separately, or even px py separately, okay, and then simplify and solve it accordingly. Now the point is, okay, this is the kinetic energy expression we will write, but what about the potential energy expression? Whatever expression will be given to you, you will write it in the power of exponential. So 1 upon h e to the power basically minus beta e, but e here will be t plus v. And if this power you are considering, which will have the momentum term in it, okay, momentum coordinate in it, so you will write it at this place, and you can even separate out the position coordinate terms like x and y terms, or just x term, whatever is present, you will write it here. And just after solving this integration, you will easily be able to get the answer. So this is something which you all need to know to solve any such type of questions. In our upcoming sessions, upcoming videos, we will even try to consider some examples based on it. So stay tuned and don't miss any of the videos which I am going to provide you on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. And if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on subscribe button below this video. And even if you like the video, you can like it, you can share it with all your friends, okay, those who are preparing for the exam, because the video will even help them to prepare for the exam very well. And thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. One more thing I am going to let you know here right now in this video, that is If you want to attend more regular live classes by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam preparation, then you can even take Unacademy Plus subscription by using and by applying the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, as it is mentioned here. So by using and by applying this referral code, you can get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Also guys, there is going to be a series which is Revise India series, which will soon start on Unacademy Learning app. You can even check it out and you can attend the sessions in this series too. There are going to be many revision courses which will start soon. Okay, so even guys, at this point of time, if you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, it will be very much helpful for all of you, as you will be able to attend the sessions of the revision courses, which are Unacademy Plus courses, and all those courses will help you to do the revision in very less time. Even you will be able to watch the sessions or join the live sessions of practice courses which are going to be there in Unacademy Learning app, okay, or on Unacademy Plus. Also guys, when you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will be able to get so many benefits, like the mock test will be there, mock test analysis sessions will be there, doubt clearing sessions will be there, and all these things together will help you a lot to prepare very well for your upcoming exam. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Also, whenever you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, as it is mentioned here. By using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Also guys, there are many other important videos which I have provided you on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. You can even check them out. They will be helpful for all of you guys. And if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you.